Here's how to dollar cost average on Robinhood. So that's basically setting up recurring investments. And so if I want to maybe dollar cost average Apple, for instance, maybe weekly I want to put in $5. I can click up here and search for Apple and then go to the Apple stock. On desktop, the right-hand side, we'll see all the buy stuff. On the app, you'll have to hit the trade button. Same type of thing though. Now in the order type, we're going to scroll down to recurring investment. We can set up a recurring amount. We can adjust the day that it starts on. Don't mind all the numbers on here. Yours will actually show up correctly. So maybe I'll start it today, or I could start it sometime in the future. Then we can edit the frequency. And so we could actually do this every market day. We can set it for every week, every 2 weeks, every month. So maybe I want every week I want to add in $5 to Apple. And then payment wise, we can do buying power, or we can do it directly from a bank account or one of your funding methods. And then the backup is just basically if that account didn't have enough money, what's the backup to fund this purchase. After that, we can review the order. Basically, I'll buy $5 of Apple every week on Friday. And then the first order will be placed tomorrow at such and such in the morning. And then in a batch order with other recurring investments for Apple. And so that's how you can dollar cost average. You can pick basically anything on the platform to set up a recurring investment to basically average out, the ups and downs of the market. That's how to dollar cost average on Robinhood.